French fries on the pizza. We made it to San Marino. We made it to San Marino. We are now having lunch in a little restaurant at the top of the mountain that this city of San Marino is on. We're getting pizza. Paul is getting a pizza with Frankfurter sausages and French fries on the pizza. And I'm getting Four Seasons, which has ham, artichoke, olives, and mushrooms. So I think that'll be quite nice. There's also a pizza with salad on it. Like a full-on salad with lettuce and tomatoes and stuff on the pizza. Cheers.
Cheers.
This is my pizza, the Four Seasons. The four corners, we've got the ham, the artichoke, the mushrooms and the olives.
That's my one, and it's random as it sounded.
Yeah, there's Frankfurter sausages and chips on pizza.
I guess.
We spent the morning exploring San Marino town, which is the capital city of San Marino. And one thing I noticed was there's a lot of weapon shops. Like loads of shops selling like guns and other weapons, which is very strange. Just like on the main streets. There was also plenty of shops selling, expensive products because, as with all microstates it seems, they don't have tax on luxury products, and so it's cheap to shop there. Overall, we really enjoyed it, and we're now going to do some laundry in another town in San Marino. We also filled up fuel for $1.56 per litre, which is very nice. Again, tax-free, very nice. This is a one-way street. These two have parked very badly, so we can't get through there. We are too wide, which means we have to somehow reverse backwards up this narrow one-way road. Luckily, just as we were about to reverse and turn around,
This
One-
selfish person.
One guy who had like a full-on meter or more next to him where he could have parked, but he didn't. He parked in the road instead. He came out of the shop and got into his car, and we stood up his backside until he moved, and we were able to get out without too much hassle. But thank you, idiots who don't know how to park. He also had a missing mirror cover, so it's probably not his first time doing stupid stuff.